This is the mac and cheese that I cook for my clients who pay thousands of dollars for a private dinner. I'm going to pop the recipe in the caption, but for the method, please just watch the video on repeat. Now, a few simple tips I'd like to add is to always cook it in the pot you're going to serve it in. I mean, less washing up is always a bonus. And control the heat on that cheese sauce if you want the perfect ooey gooey smooth goodness that I'm getting here. So, as you can hear, I have a bit of a raspy throat thanks to the not so lovely London weather. No lengthy voiceover today. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed cooking it, shooting it, editing it, and eating it. So please follow and absolutely smash it.